All right, guys, we're here at Yankee Harley Davidson down here in Bristol, Connecticut for their fall open house. And we got some vendors here, which I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show you all the bikes that are here. So here we are. Of course, we all know my bike, the 22 CVO Road Glide in that envious green fade. But look at all the bikes that are here. Okay, here's the Biker Boutique vendor. She's awesome. And I'm going to introduce you to an artist who I think does phenomenal work. I'm looking at her stuff earlier. Allison, how you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. Allison, tell us a little about what you got going on here. I want to highlight some of your artwork.
Yes, so we have some oil paintings here. I like to focus on the reflections and the chrome of the paint. But I also like to really think about composition and how I can make it interesting, right? Not just like a typical picture of a motorcycle. And here we have some, rural landscape to kind of go with it. Yeah, other than that, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Love for Harleys is there, and a love for, rural Connecticut as well.
So, Allison, if somebody wanted to find you, where would they find you?
You could find me on AllisonRybackArt.com or on Instagram at alley.ryback.art.
All right, guys, I'm going to link that down in the description of this video. Allie, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll do something together.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Hey, there you go. I do not own the rights to this music. Hey, guys, they're giving out free hot dogs today. So you get down here, you get yourself a hot dog. They got chips and soda. People are coming, people are going. Hey, look at the bikes, they're everywhere. This event is going till 4 today. I know when you guys see this video, it is going to be on Wednesday after the event. Now, Yankee has a couple of trailers that they do pickup and delivery for, and if you need their services, you can go ahead and call their service department and talk to them about doing the pickup and delivery. All right, guys, here we go. I lost the audio again. I'm really getting aggravated with this camera. But what we have here is a 1997 Softail. Here it is. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Look at that carburetor, man. Dual carb with a side slide on that. This thing is beautiful. It's got the diamond cut fins on your heads and the jugs. The nice 70s or 60s retro Harley Davidson badge on the tank. Look at this, man. This thing is a beautiful heritage Softail. And I really liked it. I dig it. To me, it's one of the best bikes I've seen in a while. That's, been well taken care of by the owner, and it's absolutely stunning. I was just taken back by it. I had to get a closer look at it. All the small detail stuff that he has. And yes, this is an Evo motor, guys. It's not a twin cam. It's not a Milwaukee 8. It's an Evo. It's an 80 cubic inch motor. I understand it's built and everything, but this thing is beautiful. I mean, you tell me what you think in the comments down below. What you think of this bike? All right, guys. Hey, if you like this video, and you'd like to see more content like this, let me know down in the comments below. And as always, live the best life you can, ride hard, and ride often.